C equals this formula here. P is invested, the initial investment. N is the number of years. R is the R% K times a year. Okay, R% interest at K times a year. That's the formula. So work out C. Show that C equals this when P is equal to this. So let's do the first part then. I'll do it here to save room. P is 1000. 1 plus R, so it'll be 1 plus 10 over 100k times kn. So n is 5, so that's 5k. And then the 10s cancel. And we get what we wanted. Find C when k is 12. I'll put it in here. 1000. 1 plus 1 over k is 12. 10 12s are 120. So the 5k, 5 12s are 60, aren't they? So let's tap that in the calculator then. So 1000 times bracket 1 plus 1 divided by 120 bracket power 60. 1645.31. 1645.31. Okay, so that's that one then. Find C when k is 365. So let's use our formula then for this one. We only need to change the value of k, so it will be 1000. Let's write it out. 1 plus 1 over 10k, 3650, to the 5k, 5 times 365. So let's see what that equals. So the thousand's okay. 1 plus 1 over 3650. 3650. And this power term is 5 times 365 equals 1648.61. So then the question asks, what is happening when k gets larger? Well, we can see it increases, can't we? The value is increasing. So when k gets larger, increasing in our value C. For that one. Okay, now let's move on to the second part of the problem then. Show that this equals that. Okay, so left hand side then is equal to 1000. Now, well, it's pretty obvious that if you divide by half top and bottom on the fraction, the half on top, and divide the 10k by half, you get 5k. So 5k. Yeah, that's easy. And use the limit 1 plus x to the n to determine what happens when interest is added continuously. So the limit, so the limit as this tends to infinity, we've got 5k here. N and n, there's n and n, isn't it? So let n equal 5k. Then we can say the limit as 5k tends to infinity of 1 plus x over 5k to the 5k is equal to, now that's e to the x, so what value of x is in? We put in a half, so that would be a half, wouldn't it? And that would be our x value, so it's e to the x. E to the half times the 1000, so 1000 of these will equal 1000 of those. So 1000 times e power half, 0.5. And that's if interest is added continuously. 1648.721. 1648.72. Wow! So that's what happens when interest is added continuously in that limit.